see the first question. After tell his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So according to the first situation, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. मतलब 7 साल पहले मैं तुमसे 7 टाइम्स मैं तुमसे बड़ा था. एंड आफ्टर 3 years फ्रॉम नाउ, इन फ्यूचर 3 years, आई विल बी 3 times एज ओल्ड एज यू. जो एज तुम्हारी होगी उससे मैं 3 times होऊंगा. So according to the question, first of all we assume present age of Aftab be x and present age of daughter be y. According to the first situation, 7 years ago Aftab's age was x minus 7. Okay, Aftab age was x minus 7. Similarly, his daughter's age was y minus 7. Now from this situation algebraically, according to the question, I was 7 times as old as you were then. I was means Aftab's age is equal to 7 times his daughter's age 7 years ago. So x minus 7 is equal to 7 times y minus 7. So just you reduce, simplify it. X minus 7 is equal to, when you remove the bracket, 7y minus 7 7 ja 49. Now express in standard form, ax plus by is equal to, in the term of c, so x minus 7y is equal to, now 7 is transposed to RHS, so minus 49, and this minus 7 will be plus 7. So in next line, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. That is equation number 1. The first situation is expressed over here algebraically. Okay, now we are going to express the second situation algebraically. 3 years from now, so after 3 years Aftab's age will be, x plus 3. Similarly, his daughter's age will be y plus 3. Now according to the given situation, 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as will be. Aftab to like that, Aftab's age is equal to 3 times his daughter's age. His daughter's age after 3 years, y plus 3. So x plus 3 is equal to 3 times y plus 3. So x plus 3 is equal to, remove the bracket, 3 is multiplied with y and 3 is multiplied with 3, so 3y plus 3 3 ja 9. Now express like equation number 1. So x and 3y is transposed to LHS, so minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3. 3 is transposed to RHS, so 9 minus 3, so x minus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, it is equation number 2. So we have expressed both the situation algebraically in the form of equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we have to express this situation graphically. For that we have two equations, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42, x minus 3y is equal to 6. From these two equations we have to substitute some values of x, either x or y, by myself only. So for that we have to draw two table for equation number 1 and for equation number 2 also. So in this two table we need to find at least two values for x and y. Okay, so from equation number, just you substitute the value of x as 0 and to find the value of y. So after substituting the value of x in the equation number 1, we will have like after reducing this, y is equal to 6. So now you fill 6 in this table. So for x is equal to 0, y will be 6. Now take second value for x, I have taken 7 and to find the value of y. So just use transpose 7 to RHS. So minus 7y is equal to minus 42 and minus 7. So minus 7y is equal to minus 49. Okay, so minus are cancelled and 7 are reduced. 49 is reduced by 7, so y is equal to 7 also. So any two values can be taken. No need to, it is not need not to take only 0 or 7 or 6 or 7. Any values can be taken by yourself. Now on the same pattern we find the value of x and y by substituting the value of 0 by myself. To find the value of y is 6 upon minus 3. So y will be minus 2. Okay, for x y is minus 2. Take second value of x or y. So I have taken y is equal to 0, then x will be 6. Okay, now we have two values of both the equations. Now we are going to represent these points or these coordinates on the graph paper. You know how to draw graph paper, you have studied well in previous classes. First of all, you draw linear x-axis and y-axis from the at the center where these two axes are intersecting. It is 0 and all the right side positive number, left side negative, upside y-axis positive, left downside negative. Now first we plot this 0 6, first point 0 6 on x-axis it is 0, y-axis 6, it is this point is 0 6. The second point 7 7, x-axis और y-axis से हम distance पे लेते हैं 7 0. Now you join these 2 points with the help of scale and you will get a straight line. Represent this line x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Similarly, we plot for the points for equation number 2 like 0 and minus 2. On x-axis it is 0, on y-axis minus 2. This point is 0 comma minus 2. Okay, now plot this 6 0 6 on x-axis and y on 0 on y-axis. So this will be 6 0. Join these 2 points with the help of scale. Okay, now you can see these two this line take as x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is graphical representation. Okay, that's all.